Hey, kamusta uli? So, this a late post. Actually documented this 2 months ago. This is my backyard compost, my fifth harvest. They look satisfying. The texture is perfect. Those are eggshells, not perlite or pumice. So it's a combination of my vegetable scraps, kitchen scraps actually, and that's the big pot, clay pot that I use. Since I don't have much container, so I use sacks, several sacks, to do the composting of some scraps. Now we're moving them inside this big clay pot. Those are banana peels, some vegetables, eggshells, and other scraps. So I suggest if you're patient enough to do this, then try it out. It's good. It's good fertilizer for my plants. So bye for now. Thanks for watching.